Hello friends, welcome back to All About Structural Analysis and Design. So this video will be the analysis of singly reinforced beam. Okay, already we have solved three types of analysis of singly reinforced beam of different cases. The links of those three videos I will be giving in the description box and also one by one in the top I button. So the speciality of the today's video is what we should do if the section is over reinforced section. So if we have seen the previous videos, those were all about the under reinforced videos. Okay, so this video will be the section is over reinforced and what we have to do if it is over reinforced section. So the question is find the moment of resistance. So as soon as you see the you have to find the moment of resistance, you have to assume that it is a analysis problem, okay, of singly reinforced concrete beam of 200 mm width and 400 mm effective depth, reinforced with 4 bars of 16 mm diameter of Fe415 steel. Take M20 concrete and you should redesign the beam if required. Okay, so as usual you have to write down the given data. Okay, the common practice in my RCC videos. So given data. Okay, so what it is given? So the concrete beam of 200 mm width. So it means B is equals to 200 mm and 400 mm effective depth. We have clearly seen in my previous videos. I have told you what is meant by overall depth, what is meant by effective depth and what is effective cover. So all the things I have explained in the videos. I will be giving link in the description box. So effective depth is nothing but small d, which is 400 mm. Okay, and the beam is reinforced with 4 bars of 16 mm diameter of Fe415 steel. So directly AST they have given. So AST is 4 bars. Okay, 4 is nothing but number of bars into pi by 4 d square. So the diameter is 16 mm diameter. Okay, so thus if you don't write 4, you will be getting the area of 1 bar. So they have given 4 bars and therefore 4 into pi by 4 16 square. So it comes around 804.25 mm square. 804.25 mm square is the area of steel for the given beam. Then they have mentioned Fe415. So Fy is 415 Newton per mm square and M20 concrete. So FCK equals to 20 Newton per mm square. Okay, these are the given things. Now as usual you have to find out first in the analysis problems the depth of neutral axis, and based on the depth of neutral axis you will be denoting this beam as over reinforced or under reinforced section. So for that you have to refer page number 96. Okay, so this is your page number 96 of IS 456 2000, and what it says, sections without compression reinforcement, which means it is a singly reinforced section formulas. So determine the depth of neutral axis from the following equation. So this equation you have to use and you have to find out whether the section is over reinforced or under reinforced section. So we will use this formula. So for that we will write down from page number 96 IS 456 2000. Okay, XU by D is equals to 0.87 FYAST divided by 0.36 FCK BD. Okay, so this is the equation. Now what we will do, we will substitute the values. 0.87 Fy is 415. AST we have calculated, it is 804.25 divided by 0.36. FCK is 20 grade of concrete, B given is 200 and D given is 400. Okay, sorry, this is mm. Okay, so you have substituted now. Now just simplify XU by D value So you will be getting 0.504. So this is the value you got. Again, if you have seen my previous videos, we used to go to page number 70 of IS 456 2000 and get the value of XU max by D. So this is your page number 70, okay, and these are the values. So we are using Fe 415 steel. So 415 it is 0.48. The XU max by D value is 0.48. So now we should compare from page 70 IS 456 2000, okay. XU max by D value is 0.48, okay. Therefore XU by D is greater than XU max by D. So what it says? It says the section is over reinforced section, okay. As XU by D is greater than XU max by D, therefore section is over reinforced section. Okay. As the section is over reinforced section, we cannot use, because directly they have given if XU by D is greater than the limiting value, the section should be redesigned. So therefore we can find out the limiting moment of resistance by taking this expression which is given on page number 96, okay. So from page number 96 IS 456 2000, what we have to do, we have to take that formula, okay. Mu limit. Why mu limit? Because it is limiting moment of resistance, it is not ultimate moment of resistance. 0.36 XU max by D, 1 minus 0.42 XU max by D, BD square FCK. All the things are known, just substitute and get the value of mu limit. So 0.36 and XU max by D is 0.48. 1 minus 0.42 into 0.48. B is 200. D is 400. FCK is 20. So mu limit, you will be getting 88296652.8. and the unit will be Newton millimeter, because all the things we have substituted in Newton per mm square. So but we don't want in Newton millimeter, so we will convert it in kilonewton meter. So mu limit is equals to 88.29 kilonewton meter. So we will make a box for this. So this is how you will be finding limiting moment. But as the section is over reinforced, the section should be redesigned. Section should be redesigned. So that's why in the problem itself they had given redesign the beam if required. So this is the usual procedure till mu limit to find out the limiting moment of resistance if the section is over reinforced section. But how to redesign the section? Redesign the section means you have to find out the new AST. Why new AST? Because it all depends upon your area of steel. The section is over reinforced or under reinforced section. So we were getting AST around 804.25. So it is over reinforced section. Therefore, we have to find out the AST, which will obviously be less than 804.25 mm square. So how to do it, we will see now. Redesigning the element, redesigning the beam or element, you can say. So again you have to go to page number 96. So the page number 96, which we had taken the first formula to find out the neutral axis depth, same formula you have to take, but the only thing is you have to take here XU max by D, because that is the maximum value you can take. And what you have to do, you have to simplify this 0.87 divided by 0.36 and you will be getting the value 2.417. Page 96, XU max by D. Okay, remember, in place of XU by D, we are writing XU max by D. So 0.87 FYAST divided by 0.36 FCK BD. So now what I will do, I will simplify the following things. Okay, so XU max by D. Okay, so it will become 2.417, this 0.87 divided by 0.36. Okay, so Fy by Fck as it is and AST by BD as it is. If you remember our beam designing problems, AST BD is nothing but percentage of reinforcement. So you can denote it as PT. Okay, so I'll mark here. So this AST by BD, we can denote it as PT. So XU max by D is equals to 2.417 Fy by Fck PT. Okay. Now this is unknown, this is known, this is known, and this all value is also known. So you have to calculate PT, that is percentage of steel. So PT equals to XU max by D into this FCK will go to numerator, FCK by Fy into this will go to denominator, 1 divided by 2.417. So just substitute. PT is equals to 0.48 into 20 by 415 into 1 divided by 2.417. So you will be getting this value as 9.57 into 10 raised to minus 3. So you have got percentage of steel. Therefore now PT is equals to AST by BD. Okay, now AST is remaining unknown. Therefore AST equals to PT BD. Okay, so AST equals to PT is 9.57 into 10 raised to minus 3. B is 200 and D is 400. Therefore AST equals to 765.6 mm square. So this is how you have to calculate the new AST. So I have told you AST will obviously be less than 804.25, which was initially given for 4 bars of 16 mm diameter. Okay, that AST was greater, that's why it was becoming over reinforced. Now we have redesigned the section, okay, with respect to XU max by D, and we have got the new AST as 765.6 mm square. So this is how you have to redesign this section if your section is over reinforced section. I hope the doubts are clear. If you have understood this video, please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe all about structural analysis and design, and also press the bell icon for the latest notifications of my videos in civil and structural engineering. Thank you, friends.